Hello everyone. In this video you will learn about common household chores. Do the dishes. I do the dishes after the dinner each night. Do you prefer hand washing or using a dishwasher? Vacuum floors. I vacuum the floors every weekend. How often do you vacuum your home? Fold the laundry. Do you enjoy folding laundry or find it tedious? I fold laundry while watching TV. Sweep the floor. When do you usually sweep your floors? I sweep the floor after cooking. Take out trash. Who usually handles the trash duty in your home? I take out the trash every morning. Water plants. Are you good at keeping plants alive? I water plants every other day. Clean windows. How often do you clean your windows? I clean windows on sunny weekends. Desk surface. Do you use a duster or a cloth? I dust surfaces every week. Mop the floor. Do you prefer mopping or sweeping? I mop the floor twice a week. Wipe countertop. What cleaning product do you use for this? I wipe countertops after every meal. Organize pantry. Is your pantry well organized? I organize the pantry monthly. Change bed sheets. Do you have a favorite type of bed sheets? I change bed sheets every 2 weeks. Scrub bathroom. What's your least favorite bathroom chore? I scrub the bathroom weekly. Sort recycling. How committed are you to recycling? I sort recycling on trash pickup days. Take care of pets. Do you have any pets at home? I care for pets every day. If you like our videos, it's requested to do subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.